Friends, did you all know that you may be eligible to claim one more relief check before the end of this year? The Internal Revenue Service has released new details on how you can take action and receive this financial relief. These checks may be worth over $2,000, but there is a deadline to claim these checks. So friends, do make sure that you watch until the end of this video, because I will be sharing with you everything that you need to know. Also, to say thank you for joining me here every day when I post a video, I'm giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Friends, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning the giveaways. During the months of October, November, and December, I will be giving away surprise $200 gift cards to those of you that have been in this community for several months. Please, friends, make sure that you do stay tuned for those videos. Last year, millions of Americans relied on the boosted child tax credit payments to help support their family during the crisis. Normally, the credit maxes out at a value of $2,000 per eligible child. But last year, the maximum value of the credit rose to $3,600 for children under the age of 6 and $3,000 for children aged 6 to 17. Not only did the credit become fully refundable in 2021, but half of it was made available to recipients in advance in the form of monthly installment payments. Those payments hit bank accounts from July through December 2021. Unfortunately, some parents who were eligible for this credit did not receive their money last year. So if you are in that boat, here is some good news. You can still sign up to get your boosted child tax credit payments online, but you will need to move quickly as the federal government has set a deadline. These days, many American families are having a difficult time making ends meet due to soaring inflation, and so a cash windfall might come in really handy right about now. If you did not receive any payments for the boosted child tax credit last year, then you should not hesitate to sign up online. According to officials, the online portal to sign up for the child tax credit payments will close on November 15th, 2022. And once that happens, claiming those payments becomes much more difficult, though not necessarily impossible, because you may be able to file a late tax return for 2022 and claim your payments there. It is estimated that about 4 million Americans who were eligible for the child tax credit payments still had not claimed their money. It is estimated that about 4 million people who were eligible for the child tax credit payments still had not claimed their money as of the end of 2021. Economists say a big part of that may stem from a lack of knowledge about eligibility. Some experts say that parents who did not receive their child tax credit payments could be due a lump sum in excess of $10,000. You may be wondering if you were able to claim the child tax credit if you weren't required to file a tax return in 2021 or 2022 due to having a low income. And the answer is yes. So friends, please make sure to take action before the deadline. According to Yahoo News, the U.S. Postal Service proposed increased price hikes to offset the rise in inflation. The price hikes, which have been approved by the governors of the U.S. Postal Service, include a 3-cent increase to purchase a stamp and a 4-cent increase to mail a postcard. The changes amount to a 4.2% price increase for first-class mail. According to USPS, the proposal must now be reviewed by the Postal Regulatory Commission. The announcement from the U.S. Postal Service comes as consumers around the nation continue to grapple with rising prices for groceries, utilities, gas, and many other necessities. The U.S. Postal Service has publicly struggled financially in recent years, and President Biden signed a law earlier this year to overhaul the USPS's finances and allow the agency to modernize its service. The U.S. Postal Service said in an announcement today, as operating expenses continue to rise, these price adjustments provide the Postal Service with much-needed revenue to achieve the financial stability sought by its Delivering for America 10-year plan. The prices of the U.S. Postal Service remain among the most affordable in the world, unlike other government agencies. The United States Postal Service generally does not receive taxpayer funding and instead must rely on revenue from stamps and package deliveries to support itself. The Postal Service is also looking to increase fees for P.O. Box rentals, money orders, and the cost to purchase insurance when mailing an item. Once approved by the Postal Regulatory Commission, the changes would take effect on January 22nd, 2023. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on these changes? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my marvelous and magnificent friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for today. Thank you, dear friends, for joining me here every day when I post a video. I truly appreciate every single one of you. The winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway goes to Shivani Dumas. Congratulations, my dear friend. To claim your gift card, please check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed day.
What will they do? They will go after the rich people. By the terms of the statute, by the terms of the CR, they cannot be used for enforcement of taxes against anybody earning less than $400,000. So we're not talking about the middle class. But the rich people in this country are cheating. They are cheating tremendously. They're cheating to the tune of tens of billions of dollars because they know they can get away with it. And because there's no manpower or woman power to enforce the law. This will give us the manpower to enforce the law. This will enable us to get revenue. Can I have 30 seconds?
I yield 30 seconds to the gentleman.
Gentleman from New York is
Thank the
recognized.
gentlelady. This will give us the manpower to enforce the law and to make sure that the rich pay their fair share, and therefore there can be more services for the middle class and for low-income people in this country, which is exactly what the government is for. So this is one of the best things it does. I urge everyone to vote for the CR, in particular because of the 87,000 extra agents that the Internal Revenue Service will have to enforce the tax